Alright, so you've heard of relay payments, right? The fintech darling promising to revolutionize the way we pay for stuff. But let's be real, is it really as groundbreaking as they claim? And more importantly, who else is in this payment processing game? Let's dive in. Now, relay payments is definitely making waves in the fintech world. With their promise of faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions, they've certainly captured the attention of businesses and consumers alike. But is there more to the story? Are there other players in this space that might be giving Relay a run for its money? The short answer is absolutely. Let's start with the big boys. You've got your traditional payment processors like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. These guys have been around forever, and they've got their fingers in pretty much every pie. While they might not be as flashy or innovative as Relay, they've got the infrastructure and the reach that's hard to beat. Then there are the newer fintech upstarts. Think about companies like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. These guys are disrupting the industry with their user-friendly platforms and focus on small businesses. They're offering a lot of the same services as Relay, but with their own unique spin. And let's not forget about the regional players. There are countless fintech companies popping up all over the world, each with their own niche and target market. These guys might not have the same name recognition as the big players, but they can often offer more competitive pricing and better customer service. So, what sets relay payments apart from the crowd? Well, they claim to offer faster settlement times, lower transaction fees, and improved fraud protection. But are these claims really true? And how do they compare to the competition? To answer these questions, we need to take a closer look at Relay's business model, their technology, and their customer base. We also need to compare their offerings to those of their main competitors. Insert deep dive into Relay Payments' business model, technology, customer base, and comparison with competitors. Now, it's important to note that the fintech landscape is constantly evolving. New players are emerging all the time, and existing players are constantly upgrading their offerings. So, it's crucial to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in the industry. So, who's really winning the payment processing game? Is it Relay Payments, or is there another player that's better positioned for long-term success? Ultimately, the best payment processor for you will depend on your specific needs and priorities. If you're a small business looking for a user-friendly platform with affordable pricing, you might want to consider a company like Square or Stripe. If you're a large enterprise with complex payment needs, you might be better off with a traditional payment processor like Visa or MasterCard. And if you're still not sure, it's always a good idea to shop around and compare different options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.